are you?
I am fine, sir.
You know the reason behind it, why we are standing here.
Yes, sir. We are standing here for question and answer of the Sound of Music chapter.
Sound of Music. Who is the writer of this lesson?
Sound of Music is written by Deborah Colley.
You tell me something about him.
Deborah Colley is an amazing point of his period, and he traveled many places to write his literatures, and he was born in big families and to write some poetic devices, and he is well known for his poetries and proses.
Very good. You done well. So my next question is that from the Sound of Music, there was a girl named Evelyn.
Yes, sir.
She was deaf, you know.
Yes, sir.
But in spite of that, so my question is that whether you are physically fit or not, but you should be mentally fit
Yes, sir.
according to the lesson.
Yes, sir.
So you have to justify these lines that physically, if you are not fit, it doesn't make any impact on your life, but you are mentally fit. If you are mentally tough, mentally strong, mentally prepared, then you can do the wonders. You have to justify my question in reference to Evelyn, A Sound of Music.
As we know that the Sound of Music refers to a girl which is deaf named Evelyn Glennie. He was physically tough but mentally sure. He was inspired. Okay, sir. She was.
Yes.
She was physically tough, was mentally prepared. She was fascinated that she was become an musician, and she was done it.
So really, do you have any such examples from the history where the disabled people did or they met the street? Any example if you have?
Sir, I don't know the proper name, but named starting with at last with Kusbaha, that fascinated his marathon by without legs.
Deepa Kushwaha?
Yes, sir. I think it is right.
So my next question is that what is the theme of wind? Tell me the theme of poem Wind.
Wind. Sir, Wind is written by Subramanya Bharati, and in Wind that is said the strong peoples must have to prepare by physically and mentally, and wind can destroy all things. You cannot stop it by saying in normal words. You have to prepare about it.
So we have to be very very strong with the tough things.
Yes, sir.
Because tough things are not gonna help us if we are not strong. So it is also mentioned in the poem. There is a beautiful line.
Yes,
that is wind is very funny to poke at weaklings, but that cannot make any kind of disturbance in the life of the people. Those are very very tough. So do you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir, I agree with this statement. Such lines are beautiful to say about that wind is not do much more destructions between the strong peoples who is mentally and physically strong.
So
And
what is life about? Life is about a comfort zone, or life is about a bed of roses?
sir, life is
Or
about
life is very tough.
life is according to those who not prepare, and according to those who are not prepared, life is so tough, and according to those who is prepared for his future by performing best in his present, the life is comfortable for him.
So that's why I always say that all of you need to associate with your teachers and you need to regard your teachers. और डियर स्टूडेंट्स कहते भी हैं कि अगर आपको ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना है, कहते हैं कि जड़ें अगर मिट्टी से पेड़ की अलग हो जाएं तो वो ये ना समझे कि वो आज़ाद हो गए, समझो उन्होंने कुछ खोया है. तो जो भी टफ टीचर्स हैं, टीचर्स आपके मेंटर्स होते हैं, आपको हेल्प करते हैं, और जो डांट फटकार के भी अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा बनाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं तो टेक देम इजी, उनको आप बहुत आसानी से लें, रिगार्ड दें. Well done, you did a great job. So there is going to be some masterpieces during the conversation, because not only you are gonna answer the questions of your lesson, but also you will learn how to share a stage, how to understand a question, and how to communicate with the people. So this platform is very, very essential for you. Thank you, Anamta. You did a wonderful job. So God bless you.
Thank